In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font on your Shopify Dawn theme step by step. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Online Store from the left sidebar. Now, locate your Dawn theme and click on Customize. Inside the theme editor, scroll down and click on Theme Settings. From there, select Typography. This is where you can control the fonts used across your Shopify store. You'll now see options for headings, body text, buttons, and other text areas. Click on the section you want to change, such as headings or body text. A font library will appear with different font styles available in Shopify. Browse through the options and select the font that best matches your brand style. As soon as you select a font, Shopify will show a live preview of the changes on your website so you can see how everything looks before publishing. Take a moment to check different pages and make sure the font is easy to read on both desktop and mobile devices. Once you're happy with the new font style, click Save at the top right corner to apply the changes to your live Shopify store. Changing fonts is a simple way to improve your store's branding and make your website feel more professional and unique. Thanks for watching.